Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I started this channel because I love building simple tools that solve real life problems, especially for developers, writers, tech lovers like you and me. My goal is to share time saving hacks and automation ideas that make our digital lives easier. Today I want to show you a real cool shortcut tool I built for quickly rephrasing text using AI. You know those moments when you copy some text and think, this could sound better, whether it's an email, a message, or a blog post. We all want our writing to feel more polished. So I created a tiny but powerful Python script with one simple shortcut like Control Shift R. This tool grabs whatever the text you copied, sends it to an AI model, gets back a cleaner and more professional version. And the best part, it pastes the new text automatically, saving you time and effort. It's perfect for emails, reports, even social media posts. No need to open another tab, no need to ask someone, and no awkward phrasing. Just smooth, professional English with a shortcut. If you are into smart tools like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and join me on this journey of building tiny automations with big impact. So let's get started with our programming. Let's start with the demo. So this is the place where my LLaMA model is running, and this is the text we have. I have made some mistakes here, so let's go with whatever it is here. I'm copying the content and I'm making that API call with the shortcut, and you can see it in the background that it is making the communication with the AI server, and here you can see that it is giving the 200 as the return code, and this is the API being called, and here you can see that the content has been replaced with a better version and cleaner version. The contrast between yesterday's rain and today's clear weather makes for a lovely day. Now let's get into the coding part. Here's the shortcut which I have created, Ctrl Shift R, and this content I am storing it in a file called rephrase.hotkey.ahk, which is the extension for the hotkey file. So here we are running a Python script, and here if you see it is saying Python W. This W represents that to run the Python script in the background. Now let's break down the Python script behind this shortcut tool. First, paperclip.paste grabs whatever the text we have copied and stores it in a variable called selected. Then we jump into the rephrase function. Here we are making a REST API call to our local LLaMA 3 server using request.post method. In the request body, we are adding information like a model and the prompt, and in the prompt we are specifying like rephrase the following sentence, written only the rephrase sentence, do not include any additional commentary, and we are pasting the content whatever we have copied. So why we are specifying the prompt in this way is like whenever we use ChatGPT, it will ask you once the sentence is rephrased, like are you satisfied with it, like do you want it to be more polished or sound professional, etc. So to avoid that, we are giving this prompt, and once we got the response, we want to clean it up. So the cleanup part is done here, and finally we copy the rephrased text back to the clipboard using paperclip.copy, and then we use PyAutoGUI to simulate a Control V, pasting the new sentence wherever our cursor is, and just like that we got an automatic rephraser ready to go with a single keyboard shortcut.
To enable the shortcut key, we have to open this file, hotkey file. So since I have already running this one, it is asking do you want to replace it with this current instance. If you made any current changes, then you can double click it again to make the changes effective. I'm gonna click yes, and yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation hacks. See you in the next one.